Welcome back to Code Resist, where we dive into the complex world of finance and make it simple for everyone. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic for investors and entrepreneurs alike: valuing startups using the times revenue method. Whether you're considering an investment or looking to understand your startup's value, this method is a vital tool in your toolkit. Let's get started. The times revenue method, often just called times revenue, is a straightforward approach used to estimate the market value of a company, particularly startups that may not yet be profitable but have significant revenue streams. At its core, this method multiplies a company's revenue by an industry-specific multiplier. These multipliers are determined based on the growth potential, market conditions, and the typical risk factors associated with each sector. Now, why focus on revenue instead of profits? For many startups, especially in tech or biotech, significant revenues can be a strong indicator of potential, even before profitability is achieved. Let's consider a hypothetical startup, ABC, with an annual revenue of $2 million and operating in a high-growth tech industry. We might choose a multiplier of 6 based on industry standards. Using the times revenue method, ABC would have an estimated market value of $12 million. It's that simple. But before you dive in, it's important to note some considerations. The choice of multiplier can significantly affect your valuation. Picking the right multiplier requires understanding current market trends, industry growth rates, and more. Here are some tips when using the times revenue method. 1. Research industry multipliers. Ensure you're using an appropriate multiplier for your industry. 2. Be aware of market conditions. Economic downturns or booms can affect typical multipliers. 3. Use as part of a bigger picture. Combine this method with other valuation approaches to get a more comprehensive view. And there you have it. The times revenue method can provide a quick and useful estimate of a startup's market value, making it a favorite among investors and entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our insights. Drop your questions or topics you'd like us to cover next in the comments below. See you in the next video.